good morning, folks. Out for a quick test ride, and I'll explain why in a little while when I get to the park. But this is to test out some new options that I've installed for mounting various equipments on the S1000. .24 in the morning, so it's not too busy yet at Burroughs Park. But looks like there's going to be soccer tournaments here again, or soccer games anyway. Hopefully there's not too many people where I'm going. Right here. All right, let's do this. The new additions to the S1000 are this mirror mount for the camera. So I now have a rear facing camera for motovlogging. Picked up this excellent little mount here on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below, but really fits on there nicely and allows me to get a good angle. I think it's a good angle. I'm gonna check that out when I get back home and see this on the computer. So the camera that I use for my rear facing video is the Sony FDR X3000, which equal to any GoPro as far as I'm concerned, in terms of stabilization and video quality. And so we'll see how that goes. But it's basically just a clamp on. It comes with a couple of different sizes of this rubber spacer here, so it'll fit even larger, or it'll fit different, a wide range of mirror stocks. It does have a little tab here that you can pull down and then rotate this, so we can rotate about a vertical axis. And of course, with this connection here, this adjustment knob here, you can vary the tilt of the camera to get the right angle. The other thing that I installed is the QuadLock. The QuadLock mount, I borrowed it from the RS, and you probably see it in there. The vibration dampener and the mount itself, I've ordered one for the S1000, but it hasn't arrived yet, so it's gonna come this week. So I felt safe enough to borrow it from the RS, and I won't have to use the RS for this week anyway. Then I used this little short extension piece that was on the RS as well. I bought a long 3-inch extension piece, and that's now installed in the RS. This here is the clamp, the handlebar clamp, ram mount handlebar clamp that I bought to solve this problem. So as you can see, with that and the ram mount extension and the QuadLock mount, I can now mount my phone right next to my GPS, so I don't have to get rid of the GPS just to mount my phone. So that's about it. That is the upgrade to the S1000 that I wanted to show you. This ride is all about testing the dual vlog and the angle of this rear camera here that I'm looking at right now. That's the main reason for this vlog. This will also be the first time Road's clear. First time that I'm going with the S1000 using the QuadLock vibration mount. I've already had 2 trips on the RS, or 2 rides in the RS with the vibration dampener, and there was actually absolutely no problem there. This is a different bike. It's got different vibration characteristics, and so, you know, hopefully the vibration dampener mount is effective on this bike as well. The RS actually doesn't vibrate that much. It's got balance shafts, and the pulsation is completely different, but it has a lower frequency of vibration. This one has a higher frequency of vibration, and maybe smaller amplitude as well, but it can make you tingle after a little while, but it's not too bad actually. Well folks, I think this is going to be the end of this vlog, and hope you enjoyed whatever footage I was able to get, and hopefully the angle of the rear facing camera is a good one. So until I see you in the next video, stay safe, keep the shiny side up, and talk to you later.